Hi, this is Rhonda. We're heading out on the Rasar trail, about 3 miles, and there's a bunch of intersecting trails that amount to 3 miles along the Skagit River. So here's our campsite. I have to say this is one of the cleanest state parks I've ever been in. The bathrooms are immaculately clean. Okay, we're heading on the 17 trail in Rasar State Park. Have my trusted point dog here. Where is he? Sweet Pea is bringing up the rear here. I hiked this point too, and then she put us on the river, Skagit River, and then I guess we'll walk along the river and then circle back around the camp. All right, later. Okay, we stopped for a minute. The girls found something good to sniff, but beautiful forest, big old cedar trees. We just came across a family, so let Sweet Pea pet the kids, or the kids pet Sweet Pea. But look at these trees. Isn't that gorgeous? Alright, we'll catch you later. Alright, we're heading back. We were on the, I guess, the Skagit River Woods Trail. It's point 3. It butts up against private property, and there's a big sign that says, "Do not trespass." I guess I don't understand people who won't let people just walk through, especially if it doesn't really impact them. I understand too if their property's been damaged or destroyed or something somehow by hikers, but nonetheless, I don't think that's the case here. But I guess anyway, we're gonna head back toward the main trail and skirt the river, hoping to have some river access so we can sit down on the rocks in the sun. It's a beautiful day. It's like 75 or so. It's just gorgeous. All right, we'll catch you in a bit. Look at the size of this tree. I don't know if you can see just how big it is. But there's a sign back there that says there's a cottonwood here that's over 100 years old. Now I'm gonna guess it's this thing. It's humongous. Right, we're now on a different trail along the river here. I forget the name of it, but it's pretty much sand. Anyway, we're looking for river access, so you can go check that out. Catch you later. This is absolutely gorgeous. Cedar River. Looks like it comes up from the mountain range, really. Wow, Ross Lake. We're on the field trail. I was hoping to go back to camp. I'm pretty hungry and I forgot my snacks, so I'll come over here. This whole trail system in here is well marked. Although sometimes the signage says there's a T, and there's not. It's more of a freeway intersection. So you can see here. Okay, this is interesting. So it tells me at this point I need to go left or right. Guess we'll go right to the field.